My A1C was 6.9 and it is now 5.8. And since starting Mastering Diabetes, I've lost 50 pounds. I have type 2 diabetes. So my doctors were telling me that as long as I was below a certain level, a certain A1C, which for them was over 7, that I was controlling my diabetes, but I knew I wasn't. I wasn't feeling very well. I was tired. I just felt like I wasn't in control of my health. I knew I had to do something. Before I found Mastering Diabetes, I was dealing with the classic weight gain. I was not checking my blood sugars to see what I was. I had been diagnosed previously, obviously, but I just was not checking it. Probably didn't want to know how my eating was affecting me. And I had initially lost well over 100 pounds when I first was diagnosed. But what happened was the pounds were coming back. And I honestly felt out of control. And I knew of Mastering Diabetes for many years. Their YouTube videos, every interview they gave, I knew about them. But it wasn't until I got my blood sugars taken with the doctor, my A1C, and it had shot up to 6.9 from a low of 5.5. And I thought, oh my gosh, I need to do something. And what I was doing wasn't working. So I knew I had to really get help and get support. And that's how I got to Mastering Diabetes. I think the best parts that I noticed about the Mastering Diabetes program itself really was the coaching and how supportive my coach was and how they took the time to match me with a coach that met my desires and what my why was going to be, right? And I say my why, that's exactly what the coaches talk about. What is your why? What can you hold on to for, when life happens and it gets a little bit tougher? What is your why? And so they're always talking about that. And I fully believe that that's exactly what made me successful. I think maybe that would be an aha moment, is that I actually had a why that was mine. It wasn't about other people. It wasn't about my family. It was for me. What did I want? And having the coach tell me I needed to talk about that on a daily basis, write it out, put notes where you would see it. So I did. I had kept a paper journal, and that's the first thing I wrote every single morning was my why. And in the coaching sessions, we spoke about our whys and what our words were. And I was very skeptical about that, but it really does help. 1,000%. I fully believe that is the best part of Mastering Diabetes, besides the great recipes that they have. But the coaching is absolutely fantastic. So before Mastering Diabetes, my A1C was 6.9 and it is now 5.8. And since starting Mastering Diabetes, I've lost 50 pounds. I think the investment was well worth every cent. There are so many resources in Mastering Diabetes. My coach is available. My small group is available to me. The community is available to me. There's really no price tag you can put on that. It's well worth the investment because I invested in myself, in my health. You've all probably heard the adage, you can spend the money now or you can spend the money later in doctor's visits and medical and that type of thing. So I wanted to spend the money now, and I'm so glad I did. So I would say to somebody who is struggling that you can do it. The system absolutely works. I have seen it with everybody in my group. I've seen it with myself. With this program, you gain control of your life back. And that's what I felt that I didn't have before. I felt very out of control. And the Mastering Diabetes program has helped me regain that control. So I'm stronger. I can resist things that I couldn't resist before because I'm investing in me. I'm investing in my health. I know what I can eat. There's no you can't eat something. It's when can I eat it? How much of it can I have? I can still enjoy treats. I can still enjoy the food that I love, fruit and pasta and potatoes and all sorts of vegetables. I can have them, and I know how it's going to affect me the next day. So one of the systems is that you have a green light dinner. That has really helped me. It's also helped me to realize, oh, I can have a piece of toast, but I have it at breakfast or at lunch. That has helped me keep my insulin resistance very low or has lowered it. So I'm more sensitive. So, which is something that has really helped me maintain and keep low fasting blood sugar levels in the morning.
Real quick, I've got a gift for you. It's our free Mastering Diabetes Meal Guide. The exact system our team spent hundreds of hours creating to help people lower blood sugar and reverse insulin resistance naturally. Inside, we show you the specific foods that make your cells more insulin sensitive, not less. You'll learn how to build meals that clear fat out of your liver and muscle tissue, restoring your body's ability to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. It's a science-backed blueprint with recipes, grocery lists, and real-world meals that thousands of our clients use to drop their fasting numbers, boost energy, and watch their A1C fall naturally. And here's the best part. It's completely free. All you have to do is comment the word guide below and we'll send it straight to you. No catch, no strings, just the exact framework that's helped thousands of people finally take control of their blood sugar and their life once again. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.